So, I just jackhammered. This fucking jackhammer whooped him. These old heads came out here and they put me to shame. They fucking put me to shame. So, I'm talking. So, she's cute. She got a baby daddy. I want nothing to do with her. Oh my God, he's in a drop top Mercedes Benz. So these old heads came to the job site and put me to shame. No, you better say good things about me.
No, let's roll. This thing's on E.
That's how bosses like to keep the trucks, on E. So the boss, the other boss, is driving down the road in a drop-top Mercedes Benz. There ain't a director in Hollywood that can come up with this shit that we talk about on jobs. I'm in the wrong business. I'm in the wrong business. And SL320. So we're a stone's throw away from from Philadelphia. But we did alright today. We got the top stairs down, we got the bottom stairs down. We're ready to pour. The only thing left to do is form up shit and pour. Alright? If you need me to look at something, just tell me. So we're ready to pour it. They said I do my best work on my knees. What do they got? How many different finishes do they put on the sidewalk block? There's the swirls. What do they call the swirls?
Rosettes.
So we got rosettes. What do they call the flat one? Finished. So what? There's three main types. You got rosette. You got
broom, rosette.
Broomed. That's right. Broomed, rosette, and finished. That's the three types that I know about. I'm telling you. I'm asking.
Broom, rosette, or drill.
I'm asking everybody questions. I want to know it all. I want my fucking brain to explode. So, I want to ask this guy why he's missing a leg. He's killing me, but I'll leave him alone. He's lucky. And I want to ask this black chick how her ass got so fucking fat. And if I can just bury my face in it. I gotta see my parole officer Friday. I'm gonna ask him, I don't know if I gotta get him to sign a disclosure to record it. But he'll let me. What do you think about the brickwork on this joint? We're at the corner of 69th Street. They don't do work like that anymore. They came up with materials that you can beat a customer in the head with now, and you beat them in the head.
It's all precast brick.
That's amazing. What year do you think that building was built? 18 or 19?
19.
I'll Google it.
They didn't have that kind of technology.
I'll Google it one day and I'll let you know the next time we work together. If you work with me one time, you'll work with me again. Oh my God. These fucking black chicks, they're killing me. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Alright, I'm done. Goodbye.